This video is about the features of non-governmental organizations. Features are something like the characteristics or that which sets an NGO apart from other organizations. So, the first feature or characteristic of an NGO is that an NGO must be independent from the direct control of any government. They are private, that is separate from the government. And the second feature is that NGOs are non-profit making. They do not return profits generated to their owners or directors. The third feature of NGO is that NGOs are usually service oriented organizations committed to the development and welfare of the community. So, the fourth feature is that NGOs usually do not work for the benefit of a single individual, family, or a small group of individuals. They are normally concerned for the benefit of the whole community. So, they work for the entire community as a whole. NGOs may emphasize the empowerment of communities to bring about societal transformation or change. So, as a part of their work, they may engage in also empowerment of the communities. So, these are registered organizations with clearly defined aims and objectives. And the next point to remember is that NGOs are not constituted as political parties. An NGO is not a criminal group. An NGO is a non-violent group. So, based on this, we can say that an NGO is a non-governmental organization which is independent from government, which is non-profit making, which is voluntary agency, which may be organized on a local, national, or international level, and it undertakes a wide variety of services and humanitarian interventions for the benefit of citizens and their communities. So, however, we should also remember that sometimes these boundaries between what an NGO is and what an NGO is not can be a little bit blurred. For example, some NGOs may in practice be closely identified with the political party. Some NGOs, but of course, they are not overtly a political party, declared as a political party. And some NGOs generate income from commercial activities, notably consultancy contracts or sales of publications. Few NGOs may be associated with violent political protests. Nevertheless, an NGO is never constituted as a government bureaucracy, a political party, a criminal organization, or a guerrilla group. So, these are the references for the preparation of this material. You can go through this to understand it better. Thank you.